Hello and welcome back to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today we're going to be doing a guided meditation with SERAPHINITE, the stone of angels. For those who are new to the channel, my name is Shannon and I am a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist, and I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to practice incorporating crystal wisdom into your everyday life and cultivating real and noticeable change. And today, we are going to be practicing with SERAPHINITE. These guided meditations are an opportunity to practice sitting with gemstones, feeling their energy, listening to their supportive qualities, and deciding if this is a gemstone that you would like to work with more. And if you haven't already watched the video, the top 4 crystal wisdom benefits of SERAPHINITE, then I will link that in the eye above. You may want to pause this video and watch that one to get some more detail about the benefits of SERAPHINITE before the meditation, but that's not required. If you do have a piece of SERAPHINITE, then this is a good time to pause this video, go get your gemstone and set that by your meditation area. But a gemstone is not required for this guided meditation. You can just picture a deep green, feathery looking gemstone in your mind. And if any of the prompts that I bring up in this guided meditation really feel familiar, or they speak to you, or they trigger you a little bit, then that is a sign that you should get some SERAPHINITE and work with it some more. The only other thing that you'll need for this guided meditation is a comfortable seat. So that could be on a meditation cushion on the floor, in a chair, or directly on the ground outside. Wherever you can feel comfortable and alert for about 10 minutes while we go through this guided meditation. So if you have your gemstone, or you're ready to picture it in your mind, and you have your comfortable seat, then let's get started. I invite you to close your eyes and start taking some slow, deep breaths. And bring your attention to what it feels like to breathe right now in your body. Because the experience of breathing can be different from day to day, hour to hour. How is it for you right now? How does it feel in your body? And then bringing your attention down to your physical body and noticing if there are any sensations that stand out to you right now. And coming to your heart center and acknowledging any emotions you may be experiencing right now. Coming to your mind space to notice the state of your mind right now. It's busy, distracted, calm. And you're not trying to change anything or fix anything. We're just checking in to see what's going on with you right now. And then bringing your focus to those places on your body that touch the cushion or the chair or the ground beneath you, to feel that deep connection with the earth below you. And remembering that you are sitting on top of the entire earth, directly over the center. You have access to all of the earth's energies, and you are perfectly balanced and supported by the earth right now. And if you do have a piece of seraphinite, and you can pick that up and place that in your non-dominant hand. This is your receiving hand and will receive the energies of the gemstone today. And take a moment to feel your seraphinite in your hand. Feel its weight. And run your fingers over the surface to see where it might be smooth or rough, if there's a chip or a crack. And take a minute to get to know your piece of seraphinite. And if you don't have a piece of this gemstone, then picture a deep forest green color gemstone with kind of a feathery pattern on it. And notice if anything in your heart, your body, and mind has changed since you've picked up the stone. And then imagine you are enveloped in large, comforting, and protective wings. You are safe and held within this space. And sit with this image of seraphinite energy for a minute. Seraphinite is the stone of angels. And as you sit with or imagine the seraphinite stone, then consider the following questions and how they may or may not relate to your life right now. Are you hoping to strengthen your connection with your spirit guides or guardian angels? Have you recently experienced a breakup? Are you recovering from an emotional trauma? Do you have difficulty settling into meditation? Do you feel confined or restricted by your physical body? Seraphinite is extremely supportive in all of these life situations. And if one of these stood out to you more than the others, then bring that back to you, to your heart, your body, your mind. And sit with it for another minute or two while you hold or imagine the seraphinite stone. Notice if anything changes about the way that you feel about that situation as you hold the stone. And then notice if anything has changed in your body, your heart, or your mind since you started this meditation. And then release that image of the Seraphinite energy and release the life situation you were sitting with, and just come back to your breathing. And when you feel ready, then open your eyes. Thank you so much for sitting with me in meditation with Seraphinite, the stone of angels. And if you found this useful, then, and that Seraphinite is a stone that you would like to work with more, then these meditations were meant to be repeated about 2 to 3 times a week for a couple of weeks until you can quickly call up the benefit and the support of the gemstones whenever you need them. And the more you meditate with the gemstone, the quicker you will feel the support arrive for you. And that is the essence of incorporating crystal wisdom into your everyday life and knowing which situations in life you want support with, which gemstones can help you, and using them on a regular basis will really help to unlock inner wisdom, self-discovery, and solutions to your everyday life challenges, and will help really bring about transformation and change. If you are new to this channel, or if you've been watching these videos and you find them useful and you haven't already subscribed, then please do subscribe to the channel. I talk about a different gemstone every single week. And I've been doing this for quite a while, so there are so many gemstones already on the channel and so many more yet to come. And you can really do a deep dive in all the wonderful gemstones and how they can help you with practical life situations. So thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope to see you again next week.